Well, Industrial 4.0 is basically an evolution of the previous Industrial 1, 2, and 3. And it is not created from new. It's basically evolving from the previous evolution. So it's now called the Industrial 4.0, or they call it the IR4, where it's basically to harmonize human with machines and how they're going to work together, the synergies, and to reap the value in making business in a little bit more faster and a little bit more rapid. Well, basically, if you look at Thailand in specific, where the retail business, the tourism, the IR 4.0, the Industrial 4.0 has impacted by and large with a lot of automation, with a lot of new technology, if bringing things faster to the market, because everybody wants things to be at speed. Everybody wants things to be in the latest technology. It's no longer in the olden days where a lot of things are based on the return on investment, where it's about revenue and cost, profit. But it's more on in terms of the time to market, time to value. So the value proposition of certain things that you bring to market is very important. Basically, it's not about whether do you implement Industrial 4.0 or not in your company or in your organization or in your country or marketplace. It will hit you, whether you like it or not. A lot of people are talking about digital transformation. So these kind of things, it will happen in terms of more people working as a team, more people utilizing automation, using a lot of digital stuff to maintain their services and products in the market. And if you look at in terms of other things involving so-called business IT, so these are the things that's also impacting due to the Industrial 4.0. So as we move along, service automation, Internet of Things, digital transformation, these are the things will impact organization whether they like it or not. And the benefit is actually the user experience. People will get it faster, people will get it readily available, and adopting big data, people will know exactly what they can use, make better decisions, and they will be able to ensure that what they get is of higher value, lower cost, and a more user experience.